5 a.m. Too early.
So I've had requests previously on the channel to do a behind the scenes of what I get up to in a day, and today is a particularly busy flying day, so I thought I'd take you along with me. So one of the reasons I haven't been able to fly at my usual site is because the council have not been cutting the grass, but today that has changed, so you might be seeing more content from here soon. I couldn't come out here, they turned it into a COVID exercise park, so it was full of people working from home all day, which is fair enough. Hopefully this will open up some more options for me. I got a little rustly bag here, and what you do is you go up to the field, the other side, minding the cow pats. Sorry, cattle pats, because these are bullocks, and hopefully you don't get stampeded on. Shocking statistics surrounding that. This is the electric fence. Don't touch that, otherwise your nads will get fried. The way I'm going to approach this is from behind. They see me, look, they see me. We want them to go that way towards the gate. See, there's blueberries in these hedges here, and that's what they like. Don't mind me, fellas. Good exercise, this. See, it's a fantastic flying day today, but we don't want any minced beef. Go on! Now I gotta watch out for the cow pats. Very earthly smell. Oh, there's cow poo everywhere. The things that you do just to get a flight in, eh? Don't know what you're running for. Through the gate. Come on. Come on. Good boys. There you go, you see. Natural with the animals. Now we can fly. Right, time to get electrocuted. We are on number 6, which is full zap. Taking the bullock zapper down. Look, over there, over there. Got my landing pad here. But then, over here, little FPV picnic. Look, got the Red Bull, because I've been up since 4 in the morning. And I've got my cheese sandwich. But what's this? It's a wing. No promises, but I'm going to try and get it flying. Then I've got my Flywoo long range thing. And I've got the Nazgul 5 with the 360 cam, and this is the new Diatone Roma F5. Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm AndyRC, and today I am in the field checking out the new Diatone Roma F5 freestyle model. Okay, let's go for a line of sight flight with the Roma F5. Alrighty, let's go for a line of sight flight with the Flywoo LR4. Let's give you full throttle. It's not going to have loads of power, this one, of course. Economy is what it's for. It's old knackered Tyrannus.
I was gonna, this is in worse case than my old one.
Yeah.
Almost.
It's not going to move, is it?
It's not going to get the same force as a crazy quad, is it?
Right, just answer some of the comments on YouTube. No, it's not a wig. No, not a wig. Unfortunately, that is my real hair. Yes, the Beatles, Adam Ant. Okay, so we're going old school, Hobby King Bix 3 here.
It's the end of all we know. Do we hold on or let go? Watch me as I climb the throne till the night is gone. This is my kingdom.
This is my review of the TBS table. What's your verdict, Phil?
It's good for sandwiches. Let's put a quad on it and work on something. Right, give me some screwdrivers, man.
Too small.
Oh, I don't know, it's better than nice. It's a proper flat table with some tension on it. That's good.
Too small.
What you really need to do is put like a couple of posts, one here and one here, and a net in between. A little micro table.
It's actually pretty good, you know. I've been using it without me realising. A little pocket down here as well. Very sturdy. 18 quid though.
Yeah, they tell me that I'm playing with fire. Never gonna stop, no, I'm only gonna ride. I'm not going down, 'cause this is my kingdom.
Rather large pole. Oh, it's really high up, isn't it? There we go. Here it comes. Oh, it's a bit of the wingtip missing. Look at that dirty cloud. You see the hole there? One day. Not when I'm doing reviews, you see. This is what happens. I do reviews and I go, oh, look at that gap there. Alright, where's that gap? There it is. Through the hole. Can't believe we never saw this gap here, Phil. Oh, that was sketch. I'm coming behind you. Are you just chilling and hovering?
I'm just checking. I've still got some weird lines. They're not bad, but they're there.
That could be me.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice sound.
DJI and Analogue together. Oh,
That's me.
I was gonna say, it looked like it just fell out of the sky. Oh, okay. It looked like you had a problem, is what I'm saying. Over the top, split air. And the thing to do really would be to power loop the thing. Abuse, battery abuse, Star-Lord abuse.
You should take it. Counting the pixels because they're so big.
Where are you learning this language from, Phil? I'm not teaching it here.
1980s, dude.
Did they have pixels in the 1980s?
Yes.
Is that all there was in the
Well,
1980s?
square blocks on Spectrum computers, ZX81.
Okay.
I've still got mine. Rubber keys next
Rubber keys.
to blue one.
Oh! concentration. I've just done it, I've just looped through it, Phil. By accident, because I sort of panicked. First power loop through that gap. But there's a branch right above that you have to be really careful of.
I can see it, but I'm not trusting this thing.
Oh, it's really nice actually, because there's no wind here, so it stays pretty straight. It's on the review of the Roma. I nearly went for it, but I thought, nah, not on a review model. Right, I need to come in for a landing, Phil. Oh, I can see the rain, that's never good. On the H. What are you doing? There's no need for that.
So there you go, that's a full behind the scenes flying day. I hope it wasn't too silly for you, but we do like to have a laugh when we go out. I hope you enjoyed this video, I certainly did, and if you would like to support this channel, then I'll put a link to my Patreon in the below, and any links that are in the below as well, if you click them, then I get a few dollars thrown my way for that as well. So, as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.